Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to activate my child's card, Venmo. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to activate your child's Venmo Teen Debit Card, also known as the Venmo Teen Card. First, open your browser and go to Venmo Help Center article and activating or deactivating the Teen Debit Card. Once your teen receives the card in the mail, open the Venmo app. Go to the Me tab and tap the down arrow next to your name. From there, select the teen account, then tap Overview and choose Activate Debit Card. Enter the card's expiration date, tap Continue, create a PIN that your teen will remember, confirm it, and finally, tap Activate. If you ever need to temporarily lock the card, you can do so from the Overview screen by toggling Temporarily Disable Card. Once activation is complete, you can start adding funds, pay, or request money directly through the teen account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.